Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10S, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on About Tablet, and here scroll down to the build number. Now we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Alright, and if you can see this question, just tap on OK. And now go back to the system settings. As you can see, the developer options will appear right above the reset. So let's enter. And here basically all we have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit to find the automatic system updates option. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, which means that your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really need to do anything more, so you do not have to remember about the updates. Just make sure to restart your device from time to time. So actually this is it. This is how to enable automatic system updates in your TCL Tab 10S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.